Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate mediation scheduling with Mediate.com, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to Mediate.com. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your Mediate.com account. Navigate to the dashboard. Look for the scheduling section in the menu. Click on scheduling to open the scheduling features. Select Create New Event to start setting up your mediation session. Fill in the event details, including date, time, and duration. Choose the type of mediation you are offering. Add a descriptive title for the event. Include any additional notes or requirements for participants. Set the availability for the mediation session. Specify the time zone for the event to avoid confusion. Select who can RSVP to the event. Decide if you want to allow participants to suggest new times. Choose notification preferences for reminders and updates. Click on the Save button to finalize your event. Review the event details to ensure everything is correct. Share the scheduling link with participants via email or your website. Monitor RSVPs through your Mediate.com account. Adjust the scheduling details if necessary based on feedback. Confirm the final details with all participants as the date approaches. Utilize the calendar integration feature if available for easier management. Check for any updates or changes in your Mediate.com dashboard before the event. Prepare any necessary mediation materials ahead of time. Be ready to facilitate a smooth and effective mediation session. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.